Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trading confidence, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
Everyone is at a different level of skill and experience and comfort with their trading platform or the process or whatever. And sometimes it can seem kind of daunting because there's just so much that you have to take in. But I can tell you from experience and working with people that the easiest way to get through it all is to pick one thing and then just focus on that and get better at that. And then once you finish that, then move on to the next thing. And you might think that, well, when you do something like that, I'm never going to get to all this stuff. I don't know all this other stuff. And I say, well, forget about all that other stuff. Just get really good at this. So like the very first thing I tell most people is you need to get your routines down. And so the first thing you should be thinking about is, well, what's your routine? Now, some of your routines and some of those things, they may be totally empty, but they should still have a placeholder and you should still go through it. Obviously, it means that you're not really trading real money, but you just going through them, but then focus on one of them and get it down. And then within each routine, there are different aspects of that, and just focus on that one thing and get it down and just practice it until you feel like you've got that down. Then move on to the next one. You do that, and over time, you're going to start building your capability. I would say that my most recent student here, Corey, has been going through that exact same process. Would you agree with that, Corey?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I'm still trying to get it through it.
Yeah, but you've gone a long way in just what, 2 weeks? You went from, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. In fact, you would call me panicked. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm totally lost. Can you help me? I'm sorry to call you out there, Corey, but it's
No, listen, absolutely. If I can help somebody else to let them know that they're not alone, that I started from nothing. I didn't even know what the S&P 500 was.
They're putting on full-fledged, they're simulated, but they're still putting them on, and then with the proper risk to reward and so forth, and you know what's going on. But just by doing one step at a time.
That's correct. And I'm still doing it, and I enjoy it. And you'll tell me when it's ready to start the second thing that I need to learn. I'm so glad that I have you as my coach, because I would have been lost trying to do this option stuff out there in this world. I'm so happy that you're in my corner.
Awesome. So, but that's the secret though, is you got to pick one thing. And if you want help on doing that, me telling you what to focus on first, do that, because typically what I'll tell you is say, do this and then report back to me. Show me what you've done. And then once you feel like you've gotten over that hump, you go on to the next thing, and then you'll put it all together. Learning a complex platform is that way. You just got to focus on one thing and just keep on pounding it until it becomes tacit muscle memory. And I keep on saying this. This is kind of the key to success on any kind of high performing thing. You got to find those fundamental things and just repeat them over and over and over. And it never stops, ever. In the beginning, you have to kind of like budget your time to try to get enough things out so you can sort of put it all together. And then as you grow and grow, you start finding little elements of it to really focus on and really hone in on it. And then you move on to the next one and then the next one. It's that constant cycle that you go through.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.